Hi guys, I'm Rahel, and today I'm going to take you through the right way to do a tabletop. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our ways to tabletop. So first things first, I'm going to show you and talk you through what I see people doing the wrong way. Elbows locked out, butt in the air, and even sometimes your hands walked out too far. Let's go ahead and fix that. So from here, I want you to think about walking your hands back in line with your shoulders. That elbow locking out, it's a lot of tension and pressure on your joints, so you want to go ahead and keep a baby bend. I know it doesn't look like a lot here, but that locking out, that hyperextension, you just want to baby bend. If you're double jointed, you probably notice that you just kind of lock out immediately. You just want to focus on just a nice little soft bend. L shape in your fingers, press into your thumb and pointer fingers and go ahead and lift out of your shoulders. So as I did that, you probably noticed that arch in my back. I lifted up, my core turned on, that arch is gone. So you want to hold a neutral flat back. Think like top of your push-up here, but we're of course not in a push-up position. We're in that tabletop, shoulders away from your ears. Try to avoid arching your neck up or tucking your chin down. Soften your gaze just slightly out. Just think about like literally like few steps out from your fingers. Shoulders away again, and then from there you're in a tabletop position. Now from tabletop, there are a couple things you can do. You want to think about getting your knees to hips width distance apart, and let's go ahead and progress from there. We'll take it up. We're just going to do just a little extension here. So from here, your left arm is extended, right leg is back. So opposite hand, opposite leg. You're going to inhale, lift. Squeeze that right glute, your glute turns on, your lower back is engaged, your core is working for you here. Try to avoid arching. It's a lot of tension and pressure on your neck. So again, toe tap. So let's show you again. Inhale, lift. So notice that my gaze stays down, tap. It's my core, my back, my arms working here for me. Breathe. Take as many as you need there. Good. So from there, you want to progress even more. Get a little bit more core action. Go ahead and flip that palm up. Pull that knee in. Elbow to knee. You got this. And so what happens with tabletop when you're in the right position is you're naturally able to support any instability. Even if this is really challenging, but my core is working for me, if my hands are too far out, I'm gonna just kind of be in this awkward position. My shoulders aren't gonna be so happy. I'm gonna tense up in my neck, go ahead and walk it right back, there. Breathe. I create that stability for myself, and then from there I'm properly engaging the muscles. And there you have it. This is the right way to do a tabletop. So if you start with the right positioning, the right form, you're able to progress and build from there. Want more right way? Subscribe to Well and Good right now.